Right, you got a three-way switch that is possibly wired incorrectly or has developed a fault. Now these switches have been replaced recently, so I'm not quite sure what's going on, but there's the light. Top of the stairs. You can't even see it. There it is. So, on. Light is on, thank you very much. Walk to the top of the stairs. Here's the other switch. Off. Great. Fantastic. That works. It's off. We walk back down. Back to this switch. Now if that was wired correctly, that light would be on, but it's not. So we're going to show you a foolproof way of figuring this out. All right, very quickly then. Step number uno, step number one. Power off. Step number two, even though the power's off, test the power is off. Why? Because you never know who wired this. And also, you never know what kind of funky stuff is going on. There might be extra wires in the box, all kinds of crazy stuff. So always test. That's step number two. Okay, step three, remove all wires. You could leave the ground wire on, but remove the three other wires from both switches, not just one switch, both switches. Step four, power goes back on. Now be careful with this one, okay? You have open wires. If you have animals, kids running around, just be careful. Power's going back on, and there are wires, hot wires, that are open to the public. Step five, we come to the first switch with a multimeter between ground and one of the wires. We test, figure out which one is hot, which one's carrying the 120 volts. And in this case, just double checking, not getting weird readings. It's the black wire. Black wire is the hot. Step six, you come to the other switch and you test for resistance. Okay, look that up on your meter. You test for resistance between the grounds and these wires, and you find the one that is the abnormally large resistance compared to the other two, and in this case it's the black. So that black is going to go to the black screw on the switch, and the other two can go anywhere on the switch. Step 7, come back to the first switch and you're going to attach the hot black wire to the black screw and the other two wires to the other two, doesn't matter which order. And there you go, in 7 easy steps. Bob's your uncle.